In this video, we will discuss the 5 best Google Pixel 9 and 9 Pro cases on the market. After watching the video, you can decide which one is best for you. If you want to know more information on these products, don't forget to check the links in the description down below and subscribe to the channel for future updates. So let's get started. Number 1. Tauri Google Pixel 9 Case. The Tauri Google Pixel 9 case offers an impressive blend of functionality and protection for your device. Its standout feature is the powerful N52 magnets, providing a magnetic force 200% stronger than standard cases. This ensures seamless compatibility with MagSafe accessories, from wireless chargers to car mounts, enhancing your Pixel 9 experience. Built to military-grade standards, the case combines a soft frame with a hard PC back cover and innovative corner airbags, safeguarding your phone against accidental drops and impacts. The high-grade German Bayer TPU material maintains crystal clarity, resisting yellowing and stains over time, allowing the Pixel 9's original beauty to shine through. The Tauri case for Google Pixel 9 delivers robust protection without compromising on style or functionality, making it an excellent choice for those seeking to safeguard their investment while enhancing its capabilities. Number 2. Renmou Google Pixel 9 Case. The Renmou Google Pixel 9 case stands out as a premium protective accessory that combines cutting-edge magnetic technology with robust defense features. Durability is a hallmark of this case, having undergone rigorous military-grade testing including 2,000+ trials and a 10-foot drop test with zero damage. Attention to detail is evident in the raised lips for screen and camera protection, while the premium touch feel is achieved through a soft silicone edge and a translucent matte back panel with an advanced nano-oliphobic coating. This combination resists smudges and scratches while maintaining a sleek, stylish appearance that complements the phone's design. Number 3. Torras Google Pixel 9 Case. The Torras Google Pixel 9 case stands out with its innovative 360-degree spin stand, offering unmatched versatility for various viewing angles. This 3-in-1 solution integrates a kickstand, wireless charging compatibility, and a convenient ring holder. The case's Halbach mag technology delivers 40% stronger magnetic force than typical cases, ensuring secure accessory attachment and stable wireless charging. Torras has prioritized both form and function, creating a case that not only safeguards your Pixel 9, but also enhances its everyday use. From its adjustable stand to its robust protection and magnetic capabilities, this case offers a comprehensive solution for users seeking to maximize their smartphone experience without compromising on style or safety. Number 4. Ottpluscase for Google Pixel 9 Case. The Ottpluscase for Google Pixel 9 and 9 Pro combines robust protection with enhanced functionality. Its strong magnetic system ensures compatibility with various accessories and efficient wireless charging. The case offers impressive 12-foot drop protection, featuring shock-absorbing materials and corner airbags, a 9H hardness screen protector, and raised bezels for the camera and display provide additional safeguarding. Aesthetically pleasing, the semi-translucent matte finish complements the Pixel 9's design while offering improved grip. Number 5. Fntcase for Google Pixel 9 Case. The Fntcase for Google Pixel 9 offers robust protection through its dual-layer design, combining a shock-absorbing TPU inner layer with a hard PC outer shell. Its standout feature is the slip-proof hexagon grip pattern, enhancing aesthetics and grip. The case excels in camera protection, with 360-degree lens coverage and raised bezels for both screen and camera. Precision cutouts and flexible buttons maintain full functionality, while the overall design adds minimal bulk. The Fntcase strikes an impressive balance between comprehensive protection and usability, making it an attractive option for Pixel 9 owners who prioritize safety and style in their phone cases.
All products pricing and updates mentioned in the video are in the description below. If you liked this video and it helped you out in any way, please give the video a like and hit that subscribe button. Stay updated with our excellent product and makes your life much easier. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Have a good day. Thank you.